Recently, I was in Ukraine during a time that missiles destroyed critical electrical infrastructure nationwide. International Networx has many Christian friends in churches that we helped to build over the past 20 years. I experienced the overwhelming and necessary humanitarian outreaches with them. Vulnerable children and women worry for their fathers, husbands, and sons who fight nearby. Their homes are gone. Though overcrowded, neighbors and families shelter with each other. Thousands who fled across borders into Poland and Europe have lived for many months on cots in crowded expo centers. They dream of returning to their communities, though only burned-out shells remain. City mayors and leaders in Ukraine and Poland told me they have a massive housing crisis. They need houses now. International Networx and our mission builder partners from Borkholder Buildings and Supply presented ideas during my journey to both countries. Using our American-made rapid framing system, we can provide quality, efficient, and affordable houses that local laborers can build in large volume. Since their electrical infrastructure has serious damage, they agreed we should ship prefabricated house kits from our Indiana factory for a temporary time, then later help them to build factories like ours. Our experts can create 6 small quality rapid frame houses per week in the factory, load them into shipping containers, and they'll arrive in 5 weeks to Poland and Ukraine. Trained 4-man crews can build them in 6 days. Mayors and builders are excited about our innovation and technology. Our first community construction projects are already underway. Would you partner with us to help Ukrainians rebuild their homes and lives? Visit our website to learn more and give your tax-deductible donation.